What's up, tech crew, and welcome back to the channel. I'm Mobileverse, and today we have some massive, and I mean massive leaks on a phone that could completely shake up the market. We're talking about the upcoming Samsung Galaxy S25 FE. And from what we're seeing, this isn't just an update, it's a statement. Imagine a phone with a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset, a stunning 120Hz dynamic AMOLED display, a massive 100-megapixel main camera with 5x optical zoom, and 8K video recording, all in a fan edition package. Is Samsung about to release the ultimate flagship killer? Let's break down everything we know, spec by spec. You're not going to want to miss this. All right. Let's start with how you get into the phone. Samsung is apparently sticking with a high-end solution here. The S25 FE is slated to have an optical under-display fingerprint sensor. The leak emphasizes that it's built for accurate scanning and quick functionality. This is crucial. We don't want to be fumbling with our thumb to get into our device. We want it fast, we want it reliable every single time. And it looks like Samsung is delivering that premium, seamless experience right from the first touch. Now let's talk about what you'll be looking at. And wow, just wow. We're looking at a huge 6.7-inch dynamic AMOLED 2X display. This is Samsung's top-tier screen technology, but it gets better. The brightness is said to be a staggering 2100 nits peak brightness. That means using your phone in direct, blazing sunlight is not going to be a problem. The screen will be incredibly vibrant and visible anywhere. Of course, it has a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate for that silky smooth scrolling and gaming experience, plus HDR10 Plus support for incredible contrast when you're watching Netflix or YouTube. And to keep it safe, it's all protected by Corning's Gorilla Glass Victus. This is a true flagship level display, no corners cut. Moving on to the essentials. The S25 FE will feature a USB Type-C port with fast charging capabilities. We'll get to the exact speeds in a minute. But here's something for the audiophiles. The leaks point to a dual stereo speaker setup tuned by AKG. Samsung's partnership with AKG has consistently produced some of the best sounding speakers on a smartphone, and it looks like the S25 FE is getting that same premium treatment. Great for gaming, great for movies, great for just blasting your music. We're also expecting multiple microphones for crystal clear call quality. This is interesting. The S25 FE is listed with a single physical nano SIM slot, but with dual standby. How? eSIM support. This is the modern way to do it. You can have your main physical SIM from your carrier and then add a second line via an eSIM for work, travel, or just a different data plan. It's clean, flexible, and gives you that dual SIM functionality without the bulky trays. Big win for travelers and professionals. Okay. Now for the main event, the engine powering this beast. The leak specifies a MediaTek Dimensity 9300 Plus chipset. Let's be clear, this is an epic-level, flagship-grade processor. This is the kind of chip that competes with the best from Qualcomm. It means top-tier gaming performance, incredible AI capabilities, and lightning-fast speed in everything you do. Paired with either 6 or 8 GB of RAM, this phone is not going to slow down. And for software, it's expected to launch with Android 15 right out of the box, with Samsung's One UI on top. You're getting the latest and greatest in both hardware and software. A powerful phone needs a powerful battery, and the S25 FE delivers. We're looking at a large 4900 mAh battery. That's a solid all-day battery right there. But the charging speeds are what's exciting. The specs point to 45-watt wired fast charging. That'll get you juiced up and back in the game in no time. And for convenience, it also supports 15-watt wireless charging. So you get the best of both worlds. Super fast wired when you need it, and easy drop and go wireless for your desk or nightstand. Okay, camera enthusiasts, this is for you. The S25 FE is rumored to have a triple camera setup with OIS, and the main sensor is 100 megapixels. A 100 megapixel sensor means incredible detail in your photos, but the showstopper is the inclusion of a 5x optical zoom lens. This isn't digital zoom. This is pure lossless optical zoom that lets you get incredibly close to your subject without losing quality. That is a truly premium feature to see on an FE model. And for you filmmakers, it will support 8K video recording. Insane. We can't forget about selfies and video calls. Up front, in that clean punch hole cutout, is a 10-megapixel front camera. But the key spec here is its video capability. It's said to support 4K video recording at both 30 and 60 frames per second. Having 4K 60 FPS on a front camera is fantastic for content creators, vloggers, or anyone who just wants ultra-smooth, high-quality video of themselves. So, let's put it all together. A flagship chipset, a brilliant 120Hz display, a versatile and powerful camera system with 5x optical zoom, and super fast charging. The Samsung Galaxy S25 FE isn't shaping up to be just a fan edition. Based on these specs, it's a full-on flagship contender that could seriously undercut the price of the main S-series phones. This has the potential to be the best value for money powerhouse of the year. But what do you think? Is this the FE you've been waiting for? What's the most exciting feature for you? Let me know everything down in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive, do me a favor and smash that like button, and if you're new here, hit subscribe and turn on the bell so you don't miss our future updates on this phone. Thanks for watching.